Oh, goodness. All right, scarf ladies, it's unveiling day for my new designs of my scarf collection. I've been designing and making jewelry for about 10 years, and I started designing and selling scarves about a year ago. And I'd like to talk a little bit about what it was like to start a new company after 45, and something where I was going to have to invest in myself and tackle things I've never done before. This kitten is nuts right now. So if you're thinking about doing something brand new, it doesn't have to be starting a business. It could be writing a novel or getting in shape or learning something new. It could be a nice little talk that we'll have afterwards. But first, I want to show you my new scarf designs. Silk scarves are one of my favorite things on earth. I can't tell you how excited I am to be doing this at this point in my life. I feel like I am finally becoming the dream self I always wanted to be. And that's a wonderful feeling. And you don't get to that feeling without taking a risk. And that's what I did when I started designing these scarves. Kitten with the zoomies. Hello. There's going to be a zoomy kitten during this video. She's behind my back. Hello. This is Papaya. This is one of her last days here. She's my foster kitten. She has a home waiting for her. You're ready to go to your forever home. This is my Mari scarf. You may have seen this in many videos. This is a favorite, and it's just a simple muted floral. So I wanted a red scarf where the focus was going to be on the face. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drape them like this so you can see more of the colors in the design. I could fold it up, but then you would see less of it. It's like lipstick for my neck. Lipstick for your neck. That's a terrible tagline. Let's talk about this SERA scarf. I love the bold ocean colors of this scarf. Bright, wonderful, oceany colors. But I also like these little muted reds that pop out. And I love the little bits of yellow too, because a lot of people want to wear yellow, but they don't feel comfortable wearing yellow, or they don't feel they look good in it. But sometimes it's nice to just have a little pop, a little bit of it. This is an interesting scarf because if you fold it up and see mostly the middle, you're going to see a lot of that red. You're going to see a lot of the red and the blue. And this is actually a wonderful look just as is. I love this scarf so much. And then the last of the first designs is the Ani scarf. And this is also the same size as the SERA scarf. And it's designed with desert colors in mind, desert in the springtime. And it has these beautiful pops of pink and teal green, emerald green, actually light purple. There's some surprising colors in here. And depending on how you fold it, it's going to show different colors. If you fold it this way, I'm getting a lot of the muted purple and of the peach. And if I fold it the other way, I get a lot more of the hot pink and the emerald green. So these scarves are made in a way that depending on how you fold them, it's going to change how you see the colors, including the middle. I'm going to roll this up to show you what I mean by the middle. Okay, you saw that scarf had pinks and greens and blues, but when I fold it up like this, and I'm just showing the middle, I get a very muted scarf that's going to go with everything. You can't actually, you don't even see the scarf. You just see me and the lipstick for my neck. I wish I had never said that because now I'm never going to not think it. This is a pretty addition to a neutral outfit without being flashy or showy. And I think that's what people get wrong about scarves, is that it should be its flashiest, right? That you want this flash of color, but sometimes you just want something more muted, something that's more in the background. Okay, it's time for the new scarves. This is my SASHA scarf, and it is a large scarf. It's reminiscent to me of leopard or animals, but it's not an animal print. And this is going to be a very versatile scarf. My favorite use of it so far is wearing just a simple black tank dress and then just wearing it in front of the tank dress as an addition, almost as a cowl neck, or up a little bit higher as more of a turtleneck with a drape. And I think that looks gorgeous with a black tank dress. It actually doesn't look bad with this either. Let me fold it up a bit. This is a great one for hair or just throwing around. And oh, this is a really good example to show you is that, but there are little bits of muted colors in here, like this light blue or this pink. There's a light pink in here. I'll show more of it with this folded this way. Okay, so this is how I'm going to show more of the pink, which is right here. And now I have a bit of pink up here by my face, and I find that very flattering and unusual. You're going to be able to wear this with so many things in every season. I love it. I can't wait to style it. Next is my EDIE scarf, and it's small, and it's wonderful. Oh, I love these weird colors. Why would I make a scarf with weird colors? That's a good question. Thanks for asking it. Okay, so I've got some like olivey, chartreuse, I've got navy, I've got magenta, but it's not exactly white, okay? And that's on purpose. It's kind of a grayish cream in between. And that's because I wanted these to be more muted colors. I did not want this to be very contrasty. I didn't want it to steal from the face. And that's what I feel that a scarf that's too bold in color or pattern for your colors and your essence can steal energy from your face. First, we're just going to drape it around just to look at it. When you look at this scarf when it's not on, you see mostly greens. But, you know, once I put it on, I'm actually seeing mostly pinks. Pinks and greens. Pink and green is kind of one of my most favorite combinations. Let's take a look at this in a more folded way. Okay, here's why it's important to have different colors throughout your scarf. Look how pretty this pink and navy blue and cream part is. And then there's this little bit of olive green that comes around. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about that. This is such a cute little scarf. I just adore it. I saved this one for last because it's kind of a showstopper. This is my FIONA scarf. So big. And it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. All the bold peacock colors and magentas and oranges. And if you like bold colors, this is it. It's going to be many, many applications for this. But one of them is to simply wear it with your jacket and enjoy the colors. And I softened the design so that it would be soft around the face. We're going to try different folds, okay? Beautiful. I just can't get over how beautiful this came out. Okay, now we're going to fold it this way. And we get different colors. What do we have now? We have teals and oranges and yellows. Okay, now what do we have? Oh, we still have teals and oranges. Oh, we have more pink now. A little more pink added in. And let's try one more fold. You get 4 different folds, you know? Okay. Oh, here we have a lot of pink. We have a lot of pink on this side. So before I started designing scarves, I went and did some research. And I went to Gucci, I went to Ferragamo, and I checked out their high-end scarves that were $600. And I didn't like any of them, but I did like the fabric. So I did some research and I wanted to get as close to that kind of feel, that luxury feel as I could. I hope you liked my scarves as much as I did. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Papaya. She's so relaxed. Hi. I'm so excited about these scarves. Papaya is only excited about ear scratches, but follow your bliss. That's what we're learning from Papaya today. Follow your bliss. I'll see you soon.